Hello everyone, this printer is Canon TS6550i. What I want to do is to show you how to reset this printer. This printer is currently connected to Wi-Fi network with my mobile phone and is showing us online. I want to show you how to reset the printer to factory default setting, and when you reset the printer to factory default setting, it will no longer be connected to a network. So what you need to do is you need to scroll down to the settings, select OK, then scroll down to device settings, select OK, then scroll down all the way to reset settings, select OK. It will show you web service setup only, LAN setup only, settings only, reset all. So select reset all, reset settings, scroll and select yes. Processing, please wait momentarily, and it's now showing us offline. The printer is offline, so it's no longer connected to a network, but you need to wait for the process to complete. The setting has been reset, then you select OK. So the printer is no longer connected to a network, and if you look on the Wi-Fi icon, it's cancelled. So if you want to connect the printer, then you need to add the printer to a wireless network for you to be able to use the printer again. This is how to reset the printer. So this printer is now offline. Thank you very much indeed.